What's up, guys? So today I just got in my 12-volt fridge from Bodega, and we're gonna do an unboxing of it and see what it looks like. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it arrived a day late, which is okay. I actually have another one of these. It's not this brand. I have the Bouge RV, and it's 57 quart, 12 volt fridge that Donnie got me for Christmas, and that one's going in the bus, but I needed one for here in the micro tiny house. So I picked this one up. It's not as big and it wasn't as expensive. I think this one was around $200 on Amazon, and it is the, I want to say the 27 quart, but I'm not for sure. I will put that in the description later on when I figure out what it is. I don't see it on there anywhere, but currently on the micro tiny house I only have a small Jackery, the 240 watt Jackery that I'm using in this now. So I'm assuming this will be ran by that all night. So that's what we're gonna test out here. Working in tight quarters here. Okay, work with me. These actually come in 3 different colors. They come in this dark blue color, they come in orange, and they come in sky blue. I would have rather had the sky blue and the orange, to be honest, but those were like $300 a piece. They originally are $300 a piece, but if you got the blue one, the dark blue, you got a $100 off coupon on Amazon. So save $100, color doesn't matter to me. Hopefully color doesn't matter to you either. All right, so this is what it looks like on the outside, and it looks like you got the compressor right in here. This side you have your DC 12 volt plug, and up here you have a USB port. And then you have the power button, settings, and plus and minus to change the temperature. Inside comes with your DC plug. It comes with your 12 volt cigarette lighter plug. This is the other half of the DC plug. And instructions. And I don't know if you can see, but that's the inside. It's pretty decent size. You have a little plug down here, drain plug. Also looks like there's a light in here when you open it, but we'll test that when I get it plugged in. And this little compartment here, I don't know if this is supposed to be like a freezer section maybe, or not sure. I'll have to do some more reading. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to plug in the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug, and I want to see how many watts it pulls. I'm going to put it in the right way first. Boosh! Boosh! Okay. Come over here, plug it into the Jackery 240. And let me rip this off so we can read it a little better. Let me shut the USB off, even though I'm not using anything. And stop the charging of my iPad. I turn it on here. Okay. 12 volt. Let's see if it's pulling any watts yet. Still at 0. It's because it's off. Now let's power. All right. Oh, the compressor just kicked on. I don't know if you heard that or not. Oh, it's got Bluetooth. Oh, that's right. It comes with, you can download an app as well and see everything you're doing from the app. I don't know if you can control it from the app as well, but I know you can watch everything from the app. I'll have to read that more later. All right, so I don't know what any of this means, but we're at 61 degrees and we're pulling about 29 watts, 28 watts. So I'm assuming when it gets to temperature, it's going to drop down to its resting rate, and we'll see what that is here in maybe about a half an hour. All right, so cool. I downloaded this app onto my iPad that is connected to the fridge freezer through Bluetooth. And I haven't messed with it yet, so I really don't know much about it, but let's play together. 20 degrees. Oh, and it changed it there. Oh, how cool. I really don't know. Maybe that's the left side meaning fridge and right side meaning freezer compartment. There's a little light you can see, so at dark that's really nice. If you open this up, you can still see inside. All right, so let's see. Right. Won't let me do it. Left. Left. Current temperature is 60 degrees right now. 60 degrees. Why not tell it? Please. And I have it on eco mode. Unpairing. Not sure what a fridge temperature should be. Maybe 30. All right. We'll try that. It's pretty cool. And then I can shut it off from here too. I'm not going to do that right now, but let's see. Tells you the battery life, how many volts you're pulling. 12.9 volts right now. It just was at 13 before. 100% battery. 100% charged. Current temperature 60 degrees. Let's see what settings. Temperature switch unit. Max temperature, minimum temperature, rename. Let's rename it to the Bodega. B-O-D-E-G-A. All right, what we got over here? My fridge. Bodega connected. Connect more fridges. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, so we reached the temperature of 32 degrees and the compressor is off and we are now pulling 0 watts. So that's pretty cool. So as long as it stays to temperature, it will not draw any watts, which is awesome. Let me see how cold it is in here. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Got handles on the sides, so you lift it up and it's actually pretty light if you don't have any food in or anything like that. All right, so what I did is just tucked underneath this cabinet or whatever you want to call this that I made, and tucked all the wires back behind there and ran it up there to the Jackery. And the compressor's on again because I opened the lid, so now it's pulling around 30 watts, 32 watts. And as soon as it gets back to temperature, then it will go back to 0 watts and till I open it again. But I don't remember if I said before or not that it took only about 30 minutes for it to get to temperature, which is really quick. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy about the size and the weight. And so I still have to go get some of them felt little things that you put down on the bottom there, so I can slide it in and out easier. That way I can just pull it out, lift it up, close it back up and push it in. Well, it's nice, I like it. Pretty cool to have a fridge and a freezer running completely off of solar power, which is awesome. Alright guys, that does it for this video. So until next time, peace. Oh, that was a big yawn better.